Alright, we'd like to welcome everyone to the Diamonds Pub reality show. We'd also like to thank Diamonds Pub for having us here tonight.
We're actually punking
We are the number 3 contestants right now. We would appreciate your vote. Thank you. Call 1-888-887-6435.
Y'all probably never heard of her. As soon as my eyes shut, the slideshow begins. Yesterday is gone now, and panic sets in. With a weight upon my chest, and a ghost upon my back, and the numbing sensation of everything I lack. It leaves me dreaming, dreaming world of life. And beautiful, bright light. Only beautiful, bright cry. Singing late morning lullaby. First sign of morning is gray and alarming. It's so disappointing. Days come so soon, while the rest of the world greets the day and feels new. I will push it